Hello and welcome to my Python Programming for Beginners course. In this video we're going to learn about how to do basic math in Python. So if we switch to our VS Code here, let's start off with creating a new folder called 03 basic math, and then we'll create a new file called basicmath.py. So to start off we'll create two variables which contain numbers. So we'll do x equals 10 and then we'll do y equals 5. So we'll start off with print, and then to do addition you use the plus symbol. So x plus y, we'll save that, we'll run it, do the Python file debug there. So then we'll see when it runs, it outputs number 15. To do subtraction, then use the dash symbol or minus symbol, so there'll be x dash y. Then if you run that, you'll see the number 5. So to do multiplication, use the asterisk. So print x asterisk y. So if you set that and run, you'll get the number 50. Now for division, it's the /, so print x slash y. So you save that and run, and you get the number 2. So what we'll do now is create a little calculator application. So create a new file, calculator.py. So we'll create the variable first num, and this will be input, enter the first number. If you watch the previous videos, you'll know that an input returns a string, and we need to convert this to a number. There are two types of numbers, as we went over before. There's integers, where it's a whole number, so there's no decimal place, and then there's a float, which is a number which allows for decimal places. So as this is a calculator, let's convert it to a float. So we do type float, and then put parentheses around it. Next, we'll ask for what the operator is that they want. So this is whether they want addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division to be done. So this will equal input. We'll do this as addition, parentheses, plus subtraction dash multiplication asterisk, and then division slash. So the user will enter either a plus, minus, asterisk, or slash to say what kind of math they want done. And then we'll do the same thing as the first line for second num, which will equal float input, enter the second number. So what we will do now is look at what operator you used and then perform that math. So if operator equals plus, we'll then print first num plus second num. We'll then do an elif operator equals minus. We'll do print first num minus second num. Elif again, operator equals asterisk, print first num asterisk second num. And finally we'll do elif operator equals slash. This will be print first num divided by second num. So now that we have this, let's run it to see if it works. So first number we'll do same as before, we'll do 10. Now as you can see, it's asking addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We'll do multiplication, and we'll do 2.5. As you can see, 10 times 2.5 equals 25. So the output here, just outputting 25, doesn't really tell us a lot. It would be better if it actually showed the equation that it ran. So what we'll do, we'll create a variable called output, and this will equal, we'll do f, then the quotes for string. What f does is it allows us to format a string. So normally, if you didn't have an f, you would have to do something like this to print a number. First num, first string first num, then you'd have to do plus empty string plus, and do things like that. But with f strings, you could do f, and then you put curly braces inside of it. Now you can just do first num, and then outside there, you can just put the variables inside here like this. And then equals. So for the example we did before, this would be 10 times 2.5 equals, and then it'll display 25. So what we'll do, we'll grab this, chuck it here, then we'll do plus string around the math, because these are numbers, not strings, so we have to convert them. So do that for all of them, and finally this one. So now let's run it to see what the output looks like. Let's do some random number. We'll do 135.8586 divided by 72. So 135.86 divided by 72 equals 1.88694444 recurring. So that's how you do basic math in Python. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos added to this Python programming for beginners course.